In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install IPTV SmartOS Pro on your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV, so you can enjoy seamless streaming of all your favorite content. First, grab your remote and go to the Vidaa Smart Hub on your TV. From there, open the App Store and use the search function to type in IPTV SmartOS Pro. Once you find the app, click Install to begin the download. After the installation finishes, open the app, and you'll be prompted to enter your IPTV subscription details, such as your username and password, or M3 URL. If the app isn't available in the Vidaa App Store, you can sideload it. For that, you'll need to download the IPTV SmartOS Pro APK on your computer, transfer it to a USB drive, and then plug the USB into your Hisense TV. Navigate to the file manager on your TV, find the APK file, and click Install. Once installed, you can open the app, log in with your IPTV provider's details, and start streaming. By the end of this video, you'll have everything set up and ready for streaming.